One tradition that I really like, Campfire. We line up like with each team, gray and blue, and then we sit in the campfire circle, and then you get to hear speeches from the older girls, epilogues, which are like funny inside jokes that are always like really fun to listen to. Counselors sing a song.
Making speeches at services and Campfire is probably like the hardest things that I've done because I am not good at public speaking. I always get nervous and I stumble on my words.
There is no theme, so you have to think of something to write about.
And I think it gave me a lot more confidence to speak in public, so that was probably my biggest accomplishment.
But it was so rewarding to get them done and have people come up to me and say you did so well. It was such an amazing feeling.
That's probably one of my favorite traditions because it happens once a week. It just feels really nice to be with everyone in the circle.